In designs like this telescope, calculations around the center of mass and moment of inertia are essential. The approximately 4,000 fiber optic cables coming from the instrument will add significant weight to the rotating portion of the assembly. The instrument position accuracy needs to be incredibly precise. Just the tilt degree must be correct to 4 decimal places. SOLIDWORKS 2020 includes the ability to fill in mass properties for wires, cables, and even coverings, including partial coverings. This can be defined from the SOLIDWORKS Electrical libraries or from the Routing Library Manager. So, in addition to generating route subassemblies with circuit summaries and connector pinout details, we will also have the mass calculated automatically even as changes are made to the route. Now with 2020, we can easily understand how the wires and cables will affect the center of mass and moment of inertia in the project.